Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Tourism. Here I am in Padova, and in front of you there is the Torre della Specola on the Carraresi Castle. It's called Specola because on top there's the astronomical observatory. The old name of this tower was Torlonga, meaning the long tower. It was the tallest tower of Padova, and in the 18th century it was sold to by the Venetians, who in the meantime had taken over Padova in 1405. It was sold by the military, by the government, to the university, the tower, as to make the astronomical observatory on top. In front of us we see the bridge. This is a cast iron bridge which was made at the end of in the 1880s and now is being completely dismantled to send it away for sanding and refurbishment. And so the bridge has been closed to traffic, and I'm actually standing on a military bridge walkway. This is a military bridge. It was installed by the Italian engineers, the military engineers. So this bridge normally isn't here. So it's a Bailey bridge, you can see, and this will be up for the duration of the works. So a very interesting construction site right now. Generally that bridge was built as cars going crossing it, and it also used to have the trolleybus. There was also a trolleybus line that used to cross that bridge until the end of the 60s, when the trolleybus line was abandoned. Okay, and by the way, going back to the castle, the Castello di Carraresi, that was then used as a prison until the 1980s, when they built the new prison outside Padova. And now there is talk, to make a science museum or something, but it's a very interesting building, and it's right on the perimeter of the medieval walls. And the lords of Padova, the Carraresi, they were the lords of Padova in the 1300s, could reach the castle from their palace in the centre on a special walkway that went from the palace to the walls, so that in case of revolts they could escape and go to the castle and then escape by river. So that's that for the moment. Cheerio, and see you next time. Ciao ciao.